Sauerkraut. There's a famous saying in teaching, if a child is told, they will forget. They are human after all. If a child is taught, they remember, but it tends to be very rote-based. They can repeat and copy what has been taught to them. It has gone in deeper than merely being told, but it still is only surface level. Scratch the surface and there is no really deep-rooted understanding. However, if a child experiences, then they really do learn. What is known as experiential learning is so effective, and it's certainly something we embrace here at RST. On a simple level, doing science experiments is more effective and enjoyable than merely reading about them secondhand. Creating a product in design and technology is more satisfying than spending time analysing someone else's. Making music together is so much more profound and affecting than merely sitting in a music theory class learning the rules and regulations. But where experiential learning really takes off and is most effective is outside of the classroom, in all the opportunities that our enrichment programs provide and on the trips and adventures we run and value so highly. Take, for example, the F and E block residentials that we ran last week. No amount of lectures or talks can actually recreate or properly prepare the students for undertaking and working together as a team. They need to experience it, and then they don't forget it. The same is true of our wonderful pre-prep forest school program that gives all of our children the ability to make, experience, and contribute in such a meaningful and tangible way. We all learn best by doing. Theory and being told and shown will only ever take us so far, codifying what we experience, but not replacing the power of experience. It was Einstein who said, "Information is not knowledge. The only source of knowledge is experience. You need to experience to gain wisdom." I hope you all have a lovely weekend. Kop and Krab.